Here's how to switch BlueStacks into full screen mode. Open BlueStacks and wait for it to fully load to the home screen. Make sure the BlueStacks window is active so your clicks apply correctly. Look at the right side of the window for the vertical toolbar. You will see several icons stacked top to bottom. Find the full screen toggle icon, which typically looks like a square or diagonal arrows pointing outward. Hover over it to confirm the tooltip says Toggle Full Screen. Click that icon once, and BlueStacks will expand to fill your entire display, hiding your desktop, taskbar, and other windows so you can focus completely on the emulator. The content will scale automatically to fit your screen. Depending on the app's aspect ratio, you may notice slight borders, which is completely normal. To exit full screen and return to your regular desktop view, simply press the Escape key on your keyboard. If you are inside a game or app that uses Escape for its own menu, close that menu first, then press Escape again to exit BlueStacks full screen mode. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.